Hello, my young scientists. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of biodiversity and how it contributes to the stability and sustainability of an ecosystem. Biodiversity refers to the variety of different species of plants, animals, and microorganisms that exist in a particular habitat. It is like a big puzzle where each species plays a unique role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Imagine an ecosystem as a delicate web of interconnected relationships. Each species, whether it be a plant, animal, or microorganism, has a specific role to play in this web. For example, plants are the primary producers that convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. They provide food and shelter for animals, which in turn help in seed dispersal and pollination. Microorganisms break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil for plants to use. Each species relies on one another for survival, creating a complex and interconnected system. Now, let's talk about why biodiversity is so important for the stability and sustainability of an ecosystem. The more diverse an ecosystem is, the more resilient it is to changes and disturbances. For example, if a disease were to wipe out a particular species of plant, a diverse ecosystem would have other species to step in and fill that role. This helps maintain the balance of the ecosystem and prevents the collapse of the entire system. Biodiversity also contributes to the health of the organisms within the ecosystem. The buffet, the more nutrients and energy the organisms can obtain. This leads to healthier and stronger individuals, which in turn leads to a healthier ecosystem as a whole. Now let's talk about some of the cross-cutting concepts that are at play when we discuss biodiversity. One of these concepts is systems and system models. An ecosystem is a perfect example of a system, where all the parts work together to create a functioning whole. Each species within the ecosystem is a part of this system, playing a specific role that contributes to the overall health and stability of the ecosystem. Another cross-cutting concept is patterns. Biodiversity is all about patterns. The patterns of species distribution, the patterns of interactions between species, and the patterns of energy flow through the ecosystem. By studying these patterns, scientists can better understand how ecosystems function and how they can be managed and conserved. Lastly, let's touch on the concept of stability and change. Biodiversity is crucial for maintaining the stability of an ecosystem, but it is also important to recognize that ecosystems are constantly changing. Natural disturbances like wildfires, floods, and droughts can disrupt the balance of an ecosystem. However, a diverse ecosystem is better equipped to adapt to these changes and bounce back to a state of equilibrium. In conclusion, biodiversity is like the glue that holds an ecosystem together. It contributes to the stability and sustainability of the ecosystem by providing a variety of species that can step in and fill roles when needed. It also plays a crucial role in the health of the organisms within the ecosystem, ensuring that they have access to the resources they need to thrive. By understanding and valuing biodiversity, we can work towards creating a more resilient and healthy planet for all living things. Thank you for joining me on this scientific journey, and remember to always keep exploring and asking questions. Remember, young scientists, that biodiversity is not just important for the health of ecosystems, but also for the well-being of humans. We rely on biodiversity for food, medicine, clean air and water, and many other essential resources. By protecting and preserving biodiversity, we are not only safeguarding the natural world, but also ensuring a sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. So, let's continue to explore and appreciate the incredible diversity of life on Earth, and work together to protect and conserve it for the benefit of all. Keep asking questions, conducting experiments, and learning about the wonders of biodiversity. The more we understand and value the natural world, the better equipped we will be to protect it. Stay curious, stay passionate, and keep striving to make a positive impact on our planet. Thank you for being a part of the scientific community, and remember that your contributions are valuable and important. Happy exploring, young scientists.